everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're here at beautiful UNC campus here in Kannapolis, North Carolina. We're at the 150 Research Park Avenue for the big car, truck, and bike show. Let's walk through and have a look at it. Started this in with some nice late model stuff, a really sharp little S10. I'm not going to talk a whole lot. Now, any music that is playing in this video is incidental. I did not add it. How about this 40th anniversary Mustang? So any music playing is incidental and I didn't add it. Hopefully YouTube won't bust me down for that, but if they do, oh well. I'll come back and take it out. If they just restrict me in certain countries, well, those people are just out of luck. Check out the AMC AMX. I like a truck like this. Just looking at this thing just screams up yours. And the old Ford. Funny how you don't see these at car shows, but back during the 50s, Ford outsold Chevrolet 2-1. Nice Pro Street. Special Mercury Cyclone. Yep. Just like the one that was sitting in Cale's dealership while he was still alive. I wonder if it's still there. Nice old GTO on this side. There's an unusual one, an old F-85. How about the Shelby GT500 with the 428 Cobra Jet engine in it? Or the Mercury Cougar on this side? How y'all doing? Plenty of food. Let's walk over here and check out the door prizes. And of course the auctions. How you doing?
Came today.
We're doing great.
Good. Oh, we got lots of food.
Y'all been following me, you know I like oddball stuff, so check out this. And of course the Mercury Falcon, Comet. But I love these cars, they got a cool style about them. Let me take a look at the motorcycle row here.
What, is there a plug on it?
That is so cool.
Thank you.
And of course, long-time viewers will recognize this bike. If not, go search Jimbo's Chopper. Tell you what, I'm glad to see that straight Suzuki here. I've seen that one before. That's a nice one. It's way overdone, which is really cool. Very much an early 2000 street superbike.
I know it. I love all that. Now contrast the old GT500 we saw back there with the new one. Trans Am, classic black and gold. How about a Paraball 302 Mustang? Oh well, now I'm going to get back over to the bike show area and sit down a little bit. Really nice late model tri-glide. Honda 754 chopper, CB160. Looks like a Yamaha R5 road racer, and right here is a Triumph flat tracker. Then of course, it's really work of art in the form of this Suzuki GSXR. Followed by this plain old Honda CL175 that I brought. So that's it. That's a look at today's show.
If anything else of interest happens, I'll let you know. I brought a bike, but since I'm actually part of the judging team, don't look for my bike to get any trophies, because it won't. But anyhow, that's it for today. Y'all have a good one. Keep riding, keep wrenching, stay crazy.